If there is one thing I eat almost every single day, that is oats. I love to have my morning oatmeal. I sometimes add oats to my smoothies to have a better and smoother consistency. And I also have a very quick 10-minute oats cookie recipe if I crave a snack in the afternoon. Hi guys, this is Agnes and this is the Bites Fitness YouTube channel. In today's video, in our Food Fundamentals series, we are talking about oats and why they are so healthy for you. Oats are one of the healthiest grains on earth. They are whole wheat, they are gluten-free, and they have several health benefits. Mostly, people eat oatmeals for breakfast, or you can also add oats to your cookies or baked goods. For an oatmeal, you basically just need to add water or any type of milk you like to half a cup of oats, and you can use rolled oats, fine or quick oats, whichever floats your boat. Then you bring it to a boil and basically you are done. You can add anything else you like. Honey, cocoa powder, cinnamon, nuts, fresh fruits. Here I made a simple cacao oatmeal with some banana and frozen berries and drizzle the top with some honey. So yummy! This can be the most delicious and healthy breakfast. Also, I have an amazing 10-minute banana and oats cookie recipe, which I will share with you soon on the blog and in a video as well. Guys, I'm curious, how else do you use oats in the kitchen? Share with me some of your recipes in the comments below, because I would love to try some new ones. And now, finally, let's see the health benefits of oats. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, so they are great for healthy digestion. A powerful soluble fiber in oats called beta-glucan can feed the healthy bacteria in your gut, reduce constipation, lower cholesterol levels, and control blood sugar levels. It can also make you feel full longer. Because of eating more filling foods, you won't eat as much calories, so oats can be your best friend if you are trying to lose weight. Oats are also quite high in carbs and higher in protein and fat than any other grain types. Oats are not considered a complete protein source on their own, but if you prepare them with milk or any other type of dairy or protein source, you will have a high protein meal. Oats have a low to medium glycemic index, so they are a good choice for people with diabetes and can lower their blood sugar levels. Oats are rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. In fact, they are one of the most nutritious foods you can eat. Oats are high in antioxidants that can reduce blood pressure and help better blood flow. Oats are rich in manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, iron, zinc, folate, vitamin B1 and vitamin B5. These minerals are essential for body functions. Oats are particularly rich in manganese. Manganese is important for bone development and a healthy immune system. Manganese also plays a role in the formation of collagen. Manganese can help reduce the risk of many diseases and it can manage blood sugar levels. Zinc can also help with a healthy immune system. Magnesium is important for heart health and also for releasing muscle tension. It can also help relieve stress. Magnesium is especially important for people exercising regularly. Folate can help build DNA, so it is especially important for pregnant women. As you see, oats are such a simple yet nutrient-dense food you can incorporate in your diet. If you struggle to eat oats or you don't really like them, try to put some in your smoothie. You will have a nicer and thicker consistency and you won't even really taste it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please leave me a comment below and tell me why you liked it and what you would like to see in the future. Also, share it with a friend who might like it as well. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos every day. Bye! At Bites Fitness, we help those who are living a healthy lifestyle and make time to cook for themselves by providing health and nutrition information and healthy recipes. If you are interested, then make sure to subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos daily.